What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a group chat on TikTok step by step using the inbox method. This is the easiest way to start a group conversation with your friends. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're logged into your account. Next, go to your inbox by tapping the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of the screen. This will open your direct messages. Once you're in the inbox, you'll see your past conversations. To create a group chat, you can either open an existing conversation with one of your friends or tap the plus icon to start a new chat and select one person. After opening the conversation, tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the chat screen. At the top, you should see an option that says Create a Group Chat, right above your friend's profile picture and username. Tap on Create a Group Chat, then select the friends you want to add. Keep in mind that TikTok only lets you add mutual followers, meaning you both follow each other. Once you've selected everyone, tap Create, and your group chat will be ready. Now you can start sending messages, sharing videos, and chatting with everyone in the group. Quick note here, if you don't see the Create a Group Chat option, make sure your TikTok app is fully updated. This feature may not appear on older versions of the app. And that's it. That's how you create a group chat on TikTok using your inbox. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.